All right, real quick, 3 reasons why you might want to proceed with caution before starting Amazon FBA. Number 1, you may be getting unrealistic expectations about what a winning product looks like nowadays. The days are over of just throwing up a simple copycat product and making money on Amazon. It's more competitive now, which means it's harder to stand out, which means there's going to be more work going into creating a better, unique product. Number 2, Amazon's review changes. Amazon's new algorithm is purging reviews from review people. This means they're wiping reviews from people who make a living by reviewing free or discounted products. So we can't just post our product in Facebook review groups and expect to get a ton of reviews ASAP. Totally doable, but it's gonna take a little bit more work to get our launch products in front of real people, not review people. Y número 3, unrealistic cash investment requirements. Now, yes, you can get started with a small test order of like $500 or $1,000, but in order to scale your product after it's tested successfully and order thousands of units at a time, it's gonna take closer to $5,000 to $10,000. That's at least in my experience. So if you don't have that kind of cash, maybe you need to look into finding a silent partner or investor. Now, does this mean I'm gonna stop doing FBA? No, I'm gonna continue building my physical product business that has allowed me to be out here in Thailand for 3 years because I can do it from wherever. And in the big picture, Amazon is just a great first stepping stone for getting into the physical products business. But just wanted to make sure you guys know what you're getting into before you do it. Lots more full breakdown on the blog. I'll see you guys over there.